It's just incredible.
People will think I'm biased.
Let them think whatever they think.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
We want to inspire people to think positively.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
So पहली बात तो यही है मायरा कि like I said, and I genuinely mean it, you make everything look effortless. But life isn't effortless,
It's not
is it?
at all effortless. I mean, there is nothing, I think, in life that you can get or do without effort.
Yeah.
Without hard work, without, I mean, effort. That's such a, sometimes I used to think, sorry, I'm digressing somewhere else, but हमारे स्कूल में होता था certificate for hard work,
Yeah.
certificate for whatever, and then there was a certificate for effort.
Yeah.
And I remember my mother used to say, if you ever get that, that's not a bad thing, But I used to be like, I never wanted a certificate for effort. I wanted for like excellence, the
Yeah.
top. And because effort was that someone's improving, right? But my mother always used to say, don't think that that's a bad thing. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Because that just means you're constantly trying harder and harder and harder.
Absolutely.
So yeah, I think effort goes into everything. I don't know why anyone would think that I make it look effortless. Maybe because even though in the last few years I've really tried to talk about things which are my vulnerabilities.
Right.
I believe I've tried to do that. More and more I've grown older. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर मैं नहीं शेयर करूँगी ये चीज़ें तो फिर ये तो अजीब बात हो जाएगी क्योंकि I also learn from other people.
Absolutely. We would want to recap those vulnerabilities.
Okay.
Absolutely. But like I was speaking to you that, through these 6 episodes, there are tools that we grow up with. And either we have them or we don't have them. But agar nahi hai, to as women, we also need to empower each other.
Yes.
And encourage each other that ye tools hain, inko istemal karen, apne aap ko strengthen karen.
Yes.
Jisme se pehli cheez, nutrition. Perhaps, right? Would you say it's important?
It's very, very important. I mean, my nani, I miss her so much.
Yeah.
Till the day she passed away, she was healthier than my mother, I would say.
Yeah.
Because she looked after herself. और वो हमेशा वो कहती थी क्योंकि जब वो 5 साल की थी तो उनकी अम्मा फौत हो गई थी.
That's a tragedy.
जी, yeah,
Absolutely.
huge tragedy.
Yeah.
तो almost like एक हैबत थी उनको कि मैं अपने आप को सही रखूँगी. अब जब मैं चीज़ें पढ़ती हूँ तो मैं कहती हूँ यार ये तो मेरी नानी करती थी. She used to tell me आराम से चबाओ, चबा के खाओ, आराम से.
Yeah.
Like so it's easy on your stomach. First you eat it properly and chabake so that it gets digested properly. So many things. I can't even tell you, Amna. And I saw her. She was a living example of how nutrition can actually keep you healthy your whole life.
Also, it's what you eat.
Yeah, it's absolutely what
Absolutely.
you eat. मतलब वो मुझे इस तरह की चीज़ें बताती थी उस वक्त. चीनी जहर है.
बिल्कुल. Everybody will, yeah.
But we know this today. We read it today.
Yeah.
But for someone, she knew. She knew. She was a health freak. अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़नी आती थी, लेकिन अंग्रेजी की हेल्थ की किताबें वो मंगवाती थी और वो कहती थी कि कोई पढ़ देगा मुझे. फिर उर्दू की सारी she would find these health, like sort of help books or whatever, all in Urdu, and she would read them. She was very, very particular. So I've seen that with my nani. My mother, on the other hand, probably a reaction to her own mother,
Yeah.
was not a health
Went
freak.
rogue.
Went rogue, yeah. Yeah, let's have a diet soda and
Oh, that way.
Oh,
Okay. Diet soda. Okay.
oh my God. There was no meal without it. She was really that person. But then she again, I've seen how my mother's paid a price for it.
Right.
So and in my mother's side of the family, meri naniyal mein, everybody has an autoimmune disorder. My mother, my mamu who passed away this year, my khala. I am ENA positive. So my mother's chacha, there's that. So in my mother's family, sabko autoimmune disorders hain. And it's crazy how much nutrition is linked to autoimmune disorders. So yeah, so I think in the recent year or two, jab bahut amma ki tabiyat kharab hui, I was like, I have to choose this path or that
Absolutely.
path, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm really trying to actually be kind to my body with the food that I eat.
How?
Oh, हमारे घर में अब देसी घी में खाना पकता है.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Salim the other day was like, you know, the palak gosht had some butter, desi ghee. I'm like, yeah, we've changed to desi ghee. Everything is cooked in desi ghee.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're not counting calories here.
Well, I
right?
don't care. We both are, by the way, you have to see, mashallah, both of us have put on weight, but it's fine.
No, it's healthy. Yeah.
But it's so good for
Absolutely.
you. It's so good for you. It's good fat, right? So I've started doing that. Especially when I'm traveling and all, I'm pretty conscious. Until unless I believe that I deserve a cheat day.
Everybody does.
Yeah.
But hold that thought. जरा थोड़ा सा रिवाइंड करते
जी.
हैं. So मायरा खान सुबह घर में उठ के तो बाबूजी को बताती हैं कि आज क्या पकना है.
जी हाँ.
बताती हैं
जी.
कि आज ये पकेगा. Like us commoners.
Yes.
Okay.
बिल्कुल. बिल्कुल.
और वो पकता है जो सलीम को पसंद है.
वो दोनों we both are foodies. और अजलान का भी.
Of course.
तो आज सुबह मेरे बताने से पहले सलीम had told the cook. So very weirdly दोनों एक similar उस पे थे. मैंने कहा स्पेगेटी कीमा बना दो अजलान के लिए और हमारे लिए जो है दाल चावल कुछ. We like दाल चावल आलू, दाल चावल this. We're one of them. हाँ.
With अचार and then.
Yeah. हरी मिर्चें. That's what we like. Home cooked food. And I believe that is, so I don't diet. I've never dieted really. So that concept has not yet sort of come to me.
Yeah.
Just dieting or cutting things out, cutting carbs out and stuff like that.
So your metabolic rate is probably really healthy and
Yeah. I would imagine it to be because I eat everything.
जी.
But I don't really snack. I think that might be also a good
Absolutely.
thing, right?
Yeah.
कभी जब मैं बहुत anxious होती हूँ तो फिर मैं पूरी रात एक
Snacking
पैकेट.
होती है.
हाँ.
Because हमारा है ना relationship with food तो यही है.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that is when I'm anxious and nervous or something is not sitting well with me. But otherwise, I think ghar ka khana is necessary. And then, of course, it's very important कि आपके जो vitamins हैं, वो आप ज़्यादातर अपने nutrition से लें. That's what they say, right?
बिल्कुल.
So don't depend on different tablets and stuff like that to get all your, they talk about supplements. How many supplements can you take,
Yeah.
But then again, what I do regularly, for instance, is I do have vitamin C. It's so crazy, when I got offered to do the CAC ad, I was like, yeah, I'm going to do this because I actually drink it.
Absolutely.
I drink it.
Absolutely.
And I take it with vitamin D.
Right.
I don't know if you do the same.
I do it. It does have a bit of vitamin D as well.
Yes.
But I also add a 5000 IU की छोटी वाली gel.
Right.
हाँ, vitamin D, बिल्कुल.
Because